Dear students, good morning. Yesterday we studied methods of preparation of hello alkene. Okay. Second method, by addition of hydrogen halide on alkene. Okay. Second method, by addition of hydrogen halide on alkene. Okay. Alkene two types, symmetrical and unsymmetrical. For example, CH3, CH double bond CH2. Okay. Unsymmetrical alkene. Alkene reacts with hydrogen halide to give alkyl halide. One propene plus HX hydrogen halide. H positive, X negative. Unsymmetrical alkene prop 1 in 1 propene. Okay. In this reaction, electrophilic addition. Okay. H plus is electrophile. Okay. It is electrophilic addition reaction. According to Marconi-Cope's rule. According to Marconi-Cope's rule, okay, according to Marconi-Cope's rule, HX is a polar molecule, H positive, X negative. अनसिमेट्रिकल एल्कीन इस कार्बन एटम पर 1 हाइड्रोजन एटम, डबल बॉन्ड के इस कार्बन एटम पर 2 हाइड्रोजन एटम. ओके. अकॉर्डिंग टू मार्कोनी-कोप्स रूल कि नेगेटिव पार्ट ऑफ पोलर मोलिक्यूल्स, नेगेटिव पार्ट डबल बॉन्ड के उस कार्बन एटम पर अटैच होता है जिस पर नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम मिनिमम हो. डबल बॉन्ड किसमें? सिंगल बॉन्ड में. प्रोडक्ट इज CH3 CH X X, डबल बॉन्ड सिंगल बॉन्ड में CH3. ओके. 1 2 3 2 हेलो प्रोपेन, 2 हेलो प्रोपेन, 2 हेलो प्रोपेन. ओके. अकॉर्डिंग टू मार्कोनी-कोप्स रूल, नेगेटिव पार्ट डबल बॉन्ड के उस कार्बन एटम पर अटैच होता है जिस पर नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम मिनिमम है. ओके. HX is hydrogen halide. Order of reactivity of hydrogen halide is order of reactivity of hydrogen halide. Order of reactivity of hydrogen halide is HF, HCl, HBr, HI. Okay. Most reactive HI because iodine is large in size. Bond weak है, easily break होगा. So we can say HI is more reactive and HF is less reactive. Okay. Next equation, CH3 CH double bond CH2 1 propene prop 1 E unsymmetrical alkene reacts with the HBr in presence of peroxide. Okay. ROOR, peroxide. In presence of peroxide. Okay. What is product? addition anti-Markovnikov rule. It means peroxide effect, Kharas effect, Kharas effect, Kharas effect. H positive, Br minus negative. Okay. According to anti-Markovnikov rule, नेगेटिव पार्ट डबल बॉन्ड के उस कार्बन एटम पर अटैच होता है जिस पर नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम मिनिमम हो. ओके, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू खास इफेक्ट Br माइनस यहां अटैच करेगा. CH3 H प्लस यहां पर CH2 डबल बॉन्ड सिंगल बॉन्ड में CH2 Br. ओके, 1 2 3 1 ब्रोमो प्रोपेन, 1 ब्रोमो प्रोपेन, 1 ब्रोमो प्रोपेन. इट इज आल्सो नोन एज peroxide effect और Kharas effect. Okay, unsymmetrical alkene reacts with HBr in presence of peroxide to give 1 bromo propane main product. Okay, बोर्ड में यहां से क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग इक्वेशन ऐसे आएगा. तो इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ peroxide रिएक्शन विद HBr अकॉर्डिंग टू एंटी-मार्कोनिकोव रूल, यानी खास इफेक्ट और peroxide इफेक्ट. ओके, थर्ड मेथड, नंबर 3, फ्रॉम alcohols third, from alcohols. Alcohol is ROH. Functional group of alcohol is OH. IUPAC name alkane. From alcohol से 3 types हेलोएल्केन बना सकते हैं. 3 types. Okay. A. First, by the reaction of alcohol and halogen acid. By the reaction of alcohol and halogen acid. Okay, by the reaction of alcohol and halogen acid. Okay, alcohol reacts with the halogen acid to give hydrogen halide. Alcohol, ROH is alcohol. Alcohol reacts with the halogen acid, HX, hydrogen halide. Okay, R positive, OH negative, H plus, X minus. H प्लस यहाँ से OH माइनस यहाँ से H2O, RX एल्किल हैलाइड प्लस H2O. ओके, एल्कोहल रिएक्ट्स विद हाइड्रोजन हैलाइड टू गिव एल्किल हैलाइड, हेलो एल्केन. ओके, नेक्स्ट ल्यूकास रिएजेंट. व्हाट इज ल्यूकास रिएजेंट? Lucas reagent. Okay, concentrate HCl plus anhydrous ZnCl2. Mixture of concentrate HCl plus anhydrous ZnCl2. Okay, mixture of concentrate HCl plus anhydrous ZnCl2 known as Lucas reagent. What happen when alcohol react with Lucas reagent? ROH alcohol reacts with Lucas reagent, concentrate HCl in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2, anhydrous ZnCl2. Okay, R plus OH minus, H plus Cl minus, H plus यहाँ से OH minus यहाँ से H2O. We gain RCl alkyl chloride plus H2O. Okay. Alcohol reacts with concentrate HCl in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2 to give RCl alkyl chloride. Okay. Order of reactivity of hydrogen halide halogen acid. Order of reactivity of halogen acid. Okay. Order of reactivity of halogen acid: HF, HCl, HBr, HI. Okay. More reactive HI. HI is more reactive because I is longer size, bond weak है, easily break होगा. Okay. Order of reactivity of alcohol. Order of reactivity of alcohols. Okay, 1 degree alcohol, 2 degree alcohol and 3 degree alcohol. More reactive 3 degree alcohol because बॉन्ड यहां से ब्रेक होता है, कार्बोकैटायन बनेगा. 3 डिग्री अल्कोहल से 3 डिग्री कार्बोकैटायन. 3 डिग्री कार्बोकैटायन इज मोर स्टेबल देन 1 डिग्री एंड 2 डिग्री कार्बोकैटायन. सो वी कैन से 3 डिग्री alcohol is more reactive in this reaction. Okay. Next, NaBr. Next equation, NaBr, sodium bromide. NaBr reacts with concentrate H2SO4, HSO4, concentrate H2SO4, H2SO4, Na positive, Br negative, H positive, HSO4 negative, H plus यहाँ से Br minus यहाँ से HBr, HBr plus NaHSO4, sodium hydrogen sulfate. Okay. NaBr reacts with the concentrate H2SO4 to give HBr. Then ROH alcohol plus HBr. तो H plus OH minus H2, RBr plus H2O. Okay, ROH plus HBr change in RBr plus H2O. Okay, RBr and Ri is prepared by the reaction of NaBr and NaI sodium iodide with concentrate H2SO4 Okay, so by the reaction of alcohol and halogen acid, second reaction B, second reaction by the reaction of alcohol and thionyl chloride, by the reaction of alcohol, okay, by the reaction of alcohol and thionyl chloride, okay, by the reaction of alcohol and thionyl chloride, okay, Darjan reaction, name reaction है Darjan reaction, okay, by the reaction of alcohol and thionyl chloride, name reaction है Darjan reaction. In the Darjan reaction, alcohol reacts with thionyl chloride in presence of pyridine to give alkyl chloride. Alcohol, ROH is alcohol. Alcohol reacts with thionyl chloride, S double bond में O, Cl, SOCl2, thionyl chloride, SOCl2 is thionyl chloride, okay, SOCl2 is thionyl chloride in presence of pyridine, in presence of pyridine. Molecular formula of pyridine is C5H5N. Structure C5 1 2 3 4 5, C5H5 1 2 3 4 5 N, C5H5N, basic nature, okay. In this reaction, alcohol reacts with thionyl chloride in presence of pyridine to give alkyl chloride, RCl plus HCl plus SO2, RCl alkyl chloride plus SO2 plus HCl, okay. Alcohol reacts with thionyl chloride in presence of pyridine to give alkyl chloride. It is the best method of preparation of alkyl chloride because, okay, it is the best reaction of preparation of alkyl chloride because SO2 and HCl byproduct is gases, SO2 gas, HCl gas, byproduct is, byproducts are gaseous state, okay. Pure form RCl, okay. HCl is observed by pyridine, okay. HCl acidic in nature, pyridine basic in nature, okay. HCl is observed by pyridine, okay. SO2 and HCl byproducts are gaseous, okay. So alkyl chloride is obtained in pure form, okay. In Darjan reaction, alcohol reacts with thionyl chloride in presence of pyridine to give alkyl chloride RCl, okay. Third, by the reaction of alcohol and phosphorus halide. Okay. C. By the reaction of alcohol, and phosphorus halide. Phosphorus halide. Okay. By the reaction of alcohol and phosphorus halide. phosphorus मुख्यतः 2 halide बनाता है, ट्राईहैलाइड एंड पेंटाहाइलाइड, PCl3 एंड PCl5. Okay. Alcohol reacts with PCl3 to give alkyl chloride. Okay. ROH alcohol reacts with PCl3 phosphorus trichloride. PCl3 is a phosphorus trichloride. Okay. R positive, OH negative, P plus 3, Cl minus 1. R प्लस यहाँ से Cl माइनस यहाँ से RCl एल्किल क्लोराइड प्लस P OH का होल थ्राइस, इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं S3PO3. ओके. S3PO3 इज orthophosphorus acid. S3PO3 is orthophosphorus acid. ओके. बैलेंस करो. Cl3 यहाँ 3 लगाओ, यहाँ पर 3, ऑक्सीजन 3 है, हाइड्रोजन 3. ओके. एल्कोहल reacts with PCl3 to give RCl alkyl chloride. Okay. Next, alcohol ROH alcohol reacts with PCl5 P Cl PCl5 phosphorus pentachloride. PCl5 is a phosphorus pentachloride. Okay. Product is RCl, HCl and POCl3. RCl alkyl chloride plus HCl plus POCl3 phosphorus oxychloride. Okay. Alcohol reacts with PCl5 to give RCl alkyl chloride. RCl. Okay. By the reaction of alcohol and phosphorus halide.